Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Litecoin, one of the more reliable charts at the moment, in my opinion. There are a lot of messy charts around the time at the moment and flying around, and a lot of charts only have 3 waves up off the lows. Now Litecoin has 5 up and completed, in my opinion, in the last few days, an A wave here. First wave of a correction, of a corrective wave pattern, which consists of an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. So the idea was that A wave is complete in a 5-wave move. This is now a B wave pullback. My last video we talked about that a pullback is imminent and that 5 waves up were complete. I gave you a level to watch that, if broken, would signal the beginning of the B wave. And so far this is working out, and my assumption is at the moment that the B wave has started. Support for the B wave is between $76 and $82.30. I already shared that on Discord for channel members a couple of days ago, that we're probably in this B wave pullback now, because we completed 5 waves to the upside and we broke that relevant support level that I gave you at the time. Means that it could be a WXY structure which is unfolding now, which I think is playing out, before we then should see a rally in a C wave higher to $100, maybe even higher. But we are going to talk about that in a minute as well. But let's just assume the 5 waves up are complete. Now we're looking at a 3-wave pullback to follow. This is the 1-hour chart, and it looks like the first wave of that pullback is already done in a wave W. We are now moving up in an X wave, which is the second wave of the correction, and then is one more wave down is to follow in a Y wave. Now in this WXY structure, the X wave can unfold in various ways. So it is either a triangle, could unfold as a triangle, it's a bit too early to confirm that, or just as an ABC structure in itself. I added a resistance area now that is likely to be touched. Doesn't need to be touched. To be fair, it already was touched here, the 50% retracement. But the point is, it should not go above the 78.6 retracement ideally. If it does, it would signal direct trend continuation to the upside. Whereas my favorite or the ideal structure would be wave W down, then maybe ABC here to the upside in an X wave, not exceeding 92.33, the 78.6 retracement, and then a sell-off down in a Y wave. WXY, that would be the ideal structure here in a B wave, okay? So let's see how high we go. Adding an even more micro counting to this doesn't make any sense, but an X wave is normally an ABC structure, so it could be A wave, B wave, C wave, just as an idea. But there are more than 10 different corrective patterns in Elliott Wave, so it could become something different. But be aware that ideally the X wave doesn't exceed the 78.6 retracement, or something more bullish is going on that might signal a direct breakout to the downside, or that this B wave is already finished, but it would be very, very shallow. So I'm looking for a clearer 3-wave move down and then a C wave to the upside. Again, that would be part of a larger triangle. If we zoom out to the 4-hour chart, A, B, C, D. The D wave is the wave in which we currently are, which is formed by, which comprises an A, B, C structure. And after the D wave top, another higher low has to be expected in an E wave before the breakout occurs. Alternatively, a direct breakout to the upside is possible. Signal for that would be a break above the B wave high at $103.70. So it doesn't necessarily need that E wave, but it would be needed in a triangle pattern. But obviously I cannot rule out that it's doing some kind of a different corrective structure and it breaks out directly. Either way, the trend is up, and as long as we're holding the 65.77 level, that is the invalidation point for the current wave structure and for the current scenario, the focus can be on higher. So this is the pivot point, the relevant level, either directly higher or with a higher low in an E wave and then higher. So, but yeah, looking good so far, Let's see how high we go now in this C wave of wave X. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.